Good morning, everyone. We're here at my garden. It's been almost 3 weeks since I planted my plants, and let's see how they've progressed. Due to Mother Nature, I didn't have to water anything. All the rain that we had in the last couple of weeks, Mother Nature watered my plants for me. This is how my carrots are doing. Eggplant. Eggplant again, peppers, squash, pickling cucumbers, tomato plant, peppers, tomato, peppers, my tomato plant, almost up to the second wire rack here, still growing, more tomatoes. Cucumbers again, and pickling cucumber doesn't seem to be growing as good as the other two plants for some reason. I don't know why. My squash plant, peppers, tomatoes. As my tomatoes grow, I see they're growing outside the wire cage, so I push the back in so it goes over the next tier up, so they keep growing upwards instead of growing out underneath these wire tiers. See, it's up above it. I'm going to put this one guy above it, let him rest there, continue to grow up higher. So it's been almost 3 weeks since I last planted them, and they're growing nice. I have some marigold plants planted to help keep the bugs out away, but the marigold plants, I don't know if they're overwatered or whatever. They don't seem to be blooming as they should. So this is my update after 3 weeks of gardening. Almost forgot my gugutsas. They're growing very nicely here on the deck, and I put this piece of lattice that I had and attached it to one of my frames that I had, grow up it and over it and hang so they're not laying on the ground. Now let's go take a look at my elderberry plant. Here's my elderberry plant. It's growing nice and green, but it got a lot of water from Mother Nature. I didn't have to water it. And along my patio here, or have plants planted, marigolds, some other plant names can't even pronounce, geraniums. This is so we hopefully attract bees to the backyard here, so the bees can go over to my garden and pollinate some of the plants that need pollination. My gugutsas, I know they need pollination from the bees. Hello everyone, Grandpa here. Going to show you how my garden is coming along. This is the gugutsa with its lattice that it can climb up on, and it seems to be growing okay, but we got hit with those high temperatures and it affected the plants. But coming over here, this is the way my carrots are growing. They're growing nice. I just watered the garden a little while ago. Here we got our eggplants, but no eggplants are growing on it yet. Pepper plant. There's a pepper down in there. And this is a squash plant, but no squashes yet. Here's my zucchini, and you can see one zucchini growing in there. Here's a tomato plant growing up to the 1, 2, 3 tiers of this tomato wire, and looks like there's growing some tomatoes in there. Here's my pepper plant. There's a green pepper in there. Another tomato plant. My San Marzano tomatoes, and That's how a couple of them are growing in there. It's getting to the top of its tomato wire rack. And we got a pepper plant here. One green pepper down there. Green pepper, no, it's a red pepper, excuse me. There's another tomato plant. It's up over the top wire and growing. It's about 5.5 feet. Well, it stands 5 feet tall, and it's got some tomatoes on it. And we got another tomato plant down here. It's growing. It's up to the second tier of the wire. Some cucumbers. A groundhog got a hold of them one night. I filmed it, so I know who it was. Another cucumber plant. No cucumbers yet. And then we got our pickle plant. No pickles on it yet. Got the yellow flowers, but no pickles. And then this is supposed to be some type of small watermelon. Let's see what we got written down here. Watermelon sugar babies. I planted more seeds than 3, but only 3 showed up. And with the warm weather and the rain that we had lately, helped them really grow. Especially my carrots, they're really growing. I gotta see what the size of them are, because I'm supposed to put them in there for 60 days and then see how big they are to harvest them. That's my update of my garden after about a month of growing season. And this is in the back of my lattice. So that's how my garden is for 2025. This June 22nd, 2025. And they're growing a lot better than they did last year. Hello everyone. I wanted to show you Grandma's California poppies that she planted from seed from the Dollar Tree. They've taken over one spot in the front. All these flowers over here, then over here, all these orange California poppies, and we got some more growing over here.